All right, here I had my Toyota Yaris. It's an '07, and the trunk wouldn't close, and it would latch, but it would not close fully, and it's because this hook here was like super loose. So to take it out or to fix it, you gotta take out everything in your trunk, kind of leave it like this, and then you want to take off these clips here for this panel here. There's two of them, one on each side, and then this I basically use like a clip tool, or plastic clip tool, and basically got under it like this, and then they just pop off like that. All right, and then you can pull this whole thing up because it's just clipped on. All right, and then there reveals the hook, that little hook or latch, whatever you want to call it. As you can see, it's super loose, and you just got to tighten up the screws. All right, and I just kind of lined it back up to where it used to be, and then I removed one of the screws so I could put Loctite on it. But what ended up happening is one of the nuts actually fell that was holding it in, but there's an opening here where you can get to it. As you can see, this nut is supposed to be welded on to the body of the car, and it's not supposed to come off like this, but it did, unfortunately. So what I ended up doing is I used a magnet to kind of feed it back into place like that, as you can see, and I kind of lined it back up, and then I put the Loctite on my screw, and then put it back on. All right, and then it was moving a little bit, but it ended up tightening up very tight. All right, and then the other one I just left it like that. I mean, if you want to tackle both of them, then go ahead, but I just Loctite one. And then as you can see, it's back to being tight. And the reason you want to fix this is because that light will stay on, and if you don't fix it, you'll drain your battery. So if you have any questions, let me know, and I'll try to help you out.